Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a green rainbow. Sentence that doesn't make sense, but it does make sense to me. I love the Rainbow of Happiness stamp set. It is so much fun and kind of inspired by the celebration paper, which is now finished, where there were non-traditional rainbow coloured rainbows, so you know, blues and yellows and pinks together. I just thought, let's see what happens if I put together 4 arcs that are not traditional rainbow colours. So this one's greens, so I've got shaded spruce, just jade, can't remember, mint macaron and soft succulent. There we go. And with that lovely glittery paper over the top, and that actually was because I wibbled, so you know, let's cover that with the stakes. This time I'm going to do blues, so I've got Bermuda Bay, Coastal Cabana, Balmy Blue and Pool Party, and this was actually shaded spruce on the background, which was the darkest colour there. So I'm going to do the same. So I have my piece of Bermuda Bay cardstock. So I took a sheet of A4, cut it in half and scored it in half. And then I've got a piece of basic white, which is 1.5 centimetres shorter and narrower. So that's about 1/2 inch shorter and narrower. And this is what I'm going to stamp on. So I'm going to prep up my stamps first. So on all 4, and I'm going to let them relax on my grid paper. And I'm going to get out my little diddy ones as well, and my words, and just let them all relax. Because they're photopolymer, they're bendy, you see, so you need to let them relax down first. I'm going to just get everything prepped up. I find if I let them relax and then I pick them up off my grid paper, it makes life a little bit easier. Is that fully relaxed? Yeah. And then the biggest one. So let's start with the darkest colour first, which is Bermuda Bay. And just going to make sure that's well inked. There is a hair on it. Let's try that again. That's better. And then kind of in the middle-ish. It's my Bermuda Bay. Then my next darkest and the next largest is Coastal Cabana. And I'm going to put that, I'm trying to look overhead but not get my head in shot. That's pretty good. Close that one up. And the next one is Balmy Blue. Into there. And the final one is Pool Party. Into the middle. Okay, and then while I'm here and I've got these out, I'm going to get my words. Oh, hello Fauna. You make me happy. Bottom right. And then, so that was Bermuda Bay. Do you want to, thank you. And then these little diddy hearts in the Pool Party. Over that, move. There we go. And you can see it's not very neat at the bottom. It's a little bit on the wibbly side. So this is where the clouds come in, and my very favourite cloud punch. You can see I use it a lot for clouds. So I'm going to take one there and one there. I'm just going to start putting it all together. So stamp in seal. And then I'm going to have a couple of dimensionals, 2 on each cloud. And like I say, that's going to cover up this wibbly line at the bottom. And just stretching onto the blue a little bit. There and there. And those, I think, are 2 fun, quick and easy cards. Nice, simple cards. And actually, that really is looking green with the green in the background, but when you do this one, it looks blue. What's that all about? Clever magic paper. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.